What's the meaning of compatriot? Compatriot. Compatriot.
Compatriot. Compatriot. Compatriot refers to a person who comes from the same country as another person. The word is often used to describe an individual who shares a sense of national identity and loyalty with someone else because they are from the same place. It implies a sense of camaraderie, solidarity, and shared experiences between people who are part of the same nation or community. Overall, compatriot is a term that highlights the bonds that exist between people who are connected by their common background and place of origin.